Welcome to our guide on opening a Fidelity account. Today, we'll explore the ins and outs of establishing your financial future. Fidelity offers various account types, including brokerage, retirement, and education accounts to cater to your financial needs. Before you get started, gather your personal documents, including a valid ID and your social security number. Now, let's access the Fidelity website or download the mobile app to begin your application. Fill out the online application form carefully. We'll discuss key sections you need to pay attention to. Choose your investment preferences and assess your risk tolerance to tailor your account to your needs. Next, set up your funding options for your new account using methods like bank transfer or direct deposit. Once completed, review and finalize your application to ensure accuracy before submission. After your account is created, explore various features and tools available to help you manage your investments. Finally, here are some tips for managing and maximizing your Fidelity account for long-term success.